Hello to you all and book collectors, and welcome to Benny's channel. Today we're going to read a book to you guys. So it is called Hiccup by Mike Herrod. And so the first chapter is Hiccups for breakfast. Rise and shine, Jamie. It's the big day of your school play. Jamie is not here. Would you like to leave a message? Speak at the beep. Beep. Time to get a move on, Jamie. Jamie who? Grunt. School is canceled. It was on the news. Why so worried? What if I forget my lines, or explode, or fall off the stage? Look, I made your favorite breakfast. Oh boy, I guess I could eat one teeny bite. Munch, munch, munch. Munch. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Uh-oh. So his breakfast spill everywhere, including his milk. Okay, so by golly, that's a monster case of hiccups. Last time you had the hiccups, it lasted 2 whole days. My play will be ruined. I'm sure you'll figure something out. Hey, the bus is here. Good luck. I'm doomed. And so the next chapter is called Hiccups on the Bus. Yikes, Jamie. Oh no, not on the day of my big play. I will cure you. The show must go on, for I, Jenna, am the big star, and I am in big trouble. Attention, everyone. Jamie has the hiccups, and we need a cure. I've got an idea. Hold your breath for 6 minutes. 6? Come on, try it. He didn't do it right. Too bad. Totally. Drink 10 gallons of water. Close one eye and cover one ear. Spin around for 30 minutes. Pour soda on your head. Hold your tongue for 1 hour. No, you need to eat 100 jalapeno peppers. Say the alphabet backwards. None of those hiccup cures worked. We're doomed. Don't be silly. I've got plenty of ideas. We're just getting started. Ring, ring, ring. Come on, let's ask Mr. Beakerbottom. He knows everything. He's a super genius. And so the next chapter is called The Hick Begone 3000. Mr. Beakerbottom, we have a big problem. I can solve any problem. What is it? I see. You need to cure your hiccups. Only a genius could do that. Luckily, you're talking to one. Behold, my cabinet of curiosities. These are my greatest inventions. Cool! Awesome! And this is the Hick Begone 3000. The extra spin action makes hiccups fly away. Just so you know, I get carsick a lot. There's nothing to worry about. Now fasten your seatbelt. This is really weird. I feel so dizzy. My brilliant plan worked. Jamie is cured. I see. Maybe you need to spin faster. That's okay, thanks. I have a better idea. Let's ask Coach Bloat. Coach Bloat? The strongest man in school? And so the next chapter is called The Hiccup Workout. Coach Bloat, we need your help. Wait, don't tell me. I'm great at guessing. Your dog ate your gym shorts. The basketballs are too round. There's baloney in your tennis shoes. Jamie has the hiccups. I've got it. Jamie has the hiccups. Looks like it's time for Coach Bloat's Super Sports Cure. I'm really more into video games. Not anymore. Let's go. That's it. Hold that pose. Keep the chin up. Pump those knees. And out. And then now slam dunk. And then you're cured. Sorry, sport. There's always next season. Lunchtime. Let's go ask Lunch Lady Linda. Cool. Can I get a tater tot? Can I get tater tots? And then the next chapter is called Hiccups for Lunch. That startled me. What was that? Okay, anyways, let's continue. We're not worrying about that right now. But anyways, let's continue. Okay. Lunch Lady Linda, Jamie has the hiccups and we need a cure. Don't worry, kiddo. Lunch Lady Linda's hiccup surprise never fails. You got a salad? Gross. Hey, no cutting. Add some sloppy Joe mix and a dash of chocolate milk. And then a glob of yesterday's meatloaf, a squirt of ketchup and mustard. Toss in broccoli and Brussels sprouts, and then mix, 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 mix. Try it. No way! This smells like wet socks. Jamie, we need to do this for the play. Here, I'll try it with you. Really? Thanks, Jenna. Blah. Wait, maybe you didn't have enough. Want some more? No, thanks. They both said it. I'm gonna ruin the play. Don't give up yet. We're smart. If we put our heads together, we'll think like one brain. Think like one brain. Any ideas? Nope. Oh no, it's time for the play. Maybe changing your costume will cure you. Wow, we're totally out of ideas. And then the next chapter is called Hiccups on Stage. Oh no! My starting moment will be ruined. And look at that crowd! Wowza! Think, Jenna, think. What would really scare Jamie's hiccups away? I've got it. I've got it. There's just enough time for a good luck kiss. Growth! No way! Hey, where did he go? There you are. Don't be a baby. Smooch. I have cooties. Girl germs. Yuck, it's slimy. Call a doctor. Blah. Wait a second. My hiccups are gone. The star has cured you. Let's do the show. And then the last chapter is called a hiccup free performance. La 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 la. Then they give roses out. Bravo! Encore! Hooray! We did it, and we did it. We did it, and I was a big star. I'm so excited. Uh-oh. Rats! Oh no! Rats! Now I have the hiccups. But at least we know the cure. But at least I know the cure. Wait, no, stop! I have another idea. Put underwear on your head. Grow a mohawk. Climb Mount Everest. Lick a frog. Chew bubblegum upside down. Dance like a chicken. Anything but kisses! The end. So that's the end, everyone. Bye for now. Stay tuned for more, everybody. Peace out. Peace out.